Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this awesome budget assisted keychain knife from Barrysail. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Barrysail and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And as always, just want to thank the good folks out at Barrysail for sending me this awesome knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is with the blade open. Let's have a look at it vertically so you compare the handle size next to this permanent marker. And now with the blade open. Let's take a quick measurement from the end of the handle to the tip of the screwdriver head here. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got 3.5 inches here. Figure the end of the screwdriver bit is here. So about 3 3/4 inches overall length with the blade closed. And if we go from the tip of the blade to the end of the screwdriver bit again, looks like we got just about 6.5 inches overall length with the blade open. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. All right, here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side. Let's place that on there. Ooh, it's a little bit thinner than that. So maybe it's closer to the thinner side. Yeah, more similar to that. Let's run a ruler across here and looks like we're going to be just short of 1/2 inch, so about 7/16 of an inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade here. And it looks to be almost the same thickness as a US nickel, just a little bit thicker than that. And if we run a ruler across the thickest part of the spine, looks like we got just about 1/8 of an inch there. Gonna bring back the permanent marker here again, just to give you a size reference for the width of this grip. And of course, we're gonna bring back in the ruler just to run it across this way. And it looks like we're gonna be just short of 1 inch, so just about 5/16 of an inch wide. All right, let's get this on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting on your keychain. Coming in at right around 2.5 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 2.5 ounces feels like, well, if you got a couple of AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 3 of those. Let's have a look at your opening mechanisms. There are 2, the first one being your flipper lever here, and this is spring assisted, so this does not need a lot of effort. You just got to pull back on this very gently, and it absolutely flies open. So smooth, so quick. We'll try that one more time here. And you can see how that spring just helps you out there. Oh, that's so much fun. The second opening mechanism are your dual thumb studs. So you can flick this open with your right or your left thumb. And remember, this is spring assisted, so it doesn't need a lot of effort. Absolutely flies open. It's so ridiculous at this price point that you get a spring assisted knife. We'll try one more. Do that all day. This does have a liner lock. You're going to see if you follow the liner right around this side, this arm swings open and butts up right against the base of the blade here. To close it, all you got to do is move that on the side. Close the blade with one hand. Easy to do. Let's have a look up front at this beautiful blade. Starting off with the thumb ramp area. We have some jimping on the handle and on the spine of the knife here. Going to turn it sideways so you can see the peaks of the jimping. Gives your thumb nice grip back here. You can see how this blade gets thicker and tapers down to this nice fine point, what they're calling a clip point blade, which I can see. You got a little bit of a swedge here. Shoulder of your blade is right here. There's a little bit of a hollow grind in here, so there's a small curvature in here. I know it's hard to see, but that's going to be a nice slicer. Beautiful black finish. If you're into tactical knives, They also give you a nice sharpening choil here that's going to help you sharpen the blade from the tip all the way down to the base. Steel type being used is 3CR13. 13% chromium is going to give you really good corrosion resistance. Now this is on the softer side of the steels, which is kind of good and kind of bad. Good in a way where you don't have to worry about the blade chipping. You're going to have to sharpen it more often, but because it's a softer steel, you're not going to have problem getting a razor sharp edge on this. We do have aluminum handles. And to me, this looks like a little bug here with the eye here, antenna up here. Maybe these are the wings. That's how I view it there. But these are aluminum. Aluminum back spacer as well, because the back spacer is your bottle opener and your screwdriver, and there's a hole back here to hook it onto your keychain. Let's check out the lining on the inside. Little bit of skeletonization here. You can see this oval cut on this side on the liner, and on that side you can see it here. That's to save on weight. Very minimal curvature here. Couple finger grooves, so you're going to go 1, 1, 1, and this one's just going to hang off the back like that. I have relatively small hands, so if you got bigger hands, you got to remember this is a keychain knife, but it fits really nicely in my hand. This knife is completely blacked out. The finish on the blade, on the handle, the hardware, the pocket clip. Let's have a closer look at that. All black. Get you a profile view of that there. And this is not reversible to the other side. So right-handed only. Tip up carry. Let's have a quick look at what this knife is going to look like if you decide to stuff it down your pocket. All right, it's going to stick out just a little bit. I don't mind that at all. Makes it a little bit easier to pinch grip it out. All right, that's what that looks like there. And here's what it might look like if you want to put it on your keychain. All right, let's see how this edge cuts coming right out of the box. Let's start off with some paracord. No problem. Let's slice some paper. Wow. It's really smooth. No toothiness. Cuts right across. Smooth sailing. Now let's try it on some cardboard. Oh, easily done. Ooh, look at that. Not bad for a tiny little blade. Total domination. Once again, guys, this has been the assisted keychain knife from Barrysail. It opens up super quick, really small and portable. You can throw it on your keychain or put it on your pocket. It's got a multi-tool. You can open it up 2 different ways. If you're looking for a new EDC knife for you or maybe a friend, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from Barrysail and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.